Oh yes, you are welcome back to African Colonization TV and Biafran history. Let's look into things that is happening in River State. This issue of identity crisis, issue of I'm an Igbo, I'm not an Igbo. So, since all those why, some of them, the Query people, some of them that is in River State that is speaking Igbo, they will come up and they will be claiming that I am an Igbo, I'm not an Igbo. Even though recently we saw Rotimi Amechi, the way he was speaking, saying, claiming that the reason why he was wearing, everywhere is going, he will be wearing Ishago, the head, the Igbo attire with a head of lion, Ishago, is because of the maltreatment and because of this or that about Igbo, meaning that him himself is denying his own roots. Whenever politics, whenever they want to come, so that let people vote for them, they will start looking for something to hold hand and something to do, so that they will be claiming either they are Igbo or they are not an Igbo. In fact, this video, Asari Dokubo, he revealed a lot of secrets concerning the Igbo origin in River State and those that are not Igbo. So if you are doing it, if they ask you, are you an Igbo, and you claim you are an Igbo or you are not an Igbo, it is between you and the person that you are telling to, because all of them at Ijo, all of them in River State, everybody knows their self. So according to the headline, it says the hidden history of Igbo identity in River State, Asari Dokubo explained. In fact, he really explained a lot of things concerning the Igbo identity in River State and the where and the how they are seeing those people. So let people should not come up and deceive you, claiming that they are not an Igbo because of politics, because of things that they are going to get from the politicians. That is why some of them, they will come up and they will be claiming something or one thing or the other. And this our brother is going to explain a lot of things for us. So don't skip any part of it. Make sure you watch it to the end. As about to watch, like, subscribe, and share for everyone to see things going on in Biafra land.
Igbo, Eche Igbo, Indoni is Igbo, Indoki is Igbo, Ekpeye is Igbo, Oba is Igbo. We know that's what we call them. So if you and them, they say they are not Igbo, it's you and them business. It's Igbo we call them. Ayanabiri. Now you so manabiri now. That's what you call them. So it's between you and them. Whatever.
Asari Dokubo said that all the Igbo speaking regions in River State are Igbo people. He said that Ikwere people are Igbo people. Ekpe people are Igbo people. Oba people are Igbo people. Echie people are Igbo people. Ndoni people are Igbo people. Opobo people are Igbo people. And so on. He said that if the Igbos in River State tell you that they are not Igbo people, that is between you and them. That word strong. It does say, if you go to a person, they tell you, say, he not be Igbo person. Say that one are between two of una. That statement means that they, Calabari people, sees the whole Bia speaking people in River State as Igbo people, whether they like it or not. When we tell those our Igbo brothers that are saying that they are not Igbo people, that the world sees them as Igbo, that other ethnic nationalities in Nigeria sees them as Igbo, they go think say we dey lie. Ijaw people sees the Ikore people as Igbo people. If Ikore people like me, they say we not be Igbo people, they talk rubbish. Ijaw people sees them as Igbo people. Ikore people are just saying that they are from Benin, deceiving themselves. Mention the Benin name of your ancestor, they go start to mention Igbo name. They tell you say the name of their ancestor is Akalaka. The name of the ancestor is Ochichi. Is that a Benin name? No. It shows that those Ikwere people that are claiming Benin origin, they don't know where their father came from. Obulife Jobunwa is so shameful. Some Ekpe elders will tell you that Akalaka, the name of their ancestor, does not mean destiny. That their own Akalaka is called Akakalaka. Is Akakalaka a Benin name? No. So how can you be saying that Akakalaka migrated from Benin to his present location and fathered you people? Why are you people not calling him Akakalaka? Why are Oba people not calling him Akakalaka? Why are Ikwere people not calling him Akakalaka? You people don't know your history. No be say una don't know say Agalaka mean destiny, but you people just want to stay separate from Ndi Igbo all over the world. Make una dey identify as a separate ethnic nationality. You just want to stand alone. That red Benin history book, they did not document any history of a person called Akalaka and Ocheche. Ikwere people just made all those things up, saying that their ancestors are Benin people. Asari Dokubo in a video said that Ikwere people are not Benin people. Asari Dokubo thought say, when you call Ikwere people Igbo, they will be telling you that they are not Igbo, that they are Benin people. Asari Dokubo said, what is Benin about Ikwere? Say Ikwere people not be Benin people, say they be Igbo people. He said that the ancestors of Ikwere people are Igbo people, not Benin. Asari Dokubo then they talk am. Even if Asari Dokubo dey mumu himself online sometimes, they talk nonsense, like even as he hate Ndi Igbo. If you see any Igbo group wey get Igbo origin, Asari Dokubo go tell you say these Igbo people are of Igbo origin, Ikwere people are Igbo people, Oba people are Igbo people, Ekpe people are Igbo people. Asari Dokubo knows history. The guy na historian him be. I'm not saying this because he said that Ikwere people are Igbo people. When it comes to history, Asari Dokubo dey talk facts. The same way some Yoruba people are saying, there are no Igbos in Delta states. But during the Biafra war, Ukwane people, I know they talk of Ndi Igbo for Southeast, Ukwane people for Ukwane here, Ukwane and Urobo dey for boundary. During the Biafra war, Ukwane people wey run enter Urobo land for safety. Urobo people dey kill them. They call them Igbo people. Even as Ukwane people dey speak, Ukwane dey tell them say, Biko bebu na nyo sani buwene, biko ni. Na lie. Urobo people were killing them. Our fathers for Ukwane land, they tell us all these stories. Ukwane people that ran into Isoko land, Isoko people killed them. I no talk say Igbo people for Southeast run enter Uroba and Isoko land. And they talk say Ukwane people, the closest neighbors to Uroba and Isoko run enter Uroba and Isoko land. Uroba and Isoko people, they kill them. They call them Igbo people. That time Ukwane people, they greet Migwo, they see they greet Aje and Otofe. But after that Biafra war, they come to say no. Say we and this Uroba and Isoko people not be the same people. Say why we go dey greet Migwo with them? Even as we dey greet Migwo with them during Biafra war, they betray us. Say we and they not be one people. They come stop to dey greet Migwo, come dey greet only Aje and Otofe. Now, because some of them don't want we Ukwane people to embrace our Igbo identity, because they don't want to hear that they are indigenous Igbo people in Delta State, you go see some of them, they post for Twitter, they talk say there are no Igbos in Delta State. But when Ifeanyi Okowa became the governor of Delta State, so many Yoruba people were saying Igbo man don't become governor of Delta State. Some people will say, hey, you are preaching hate, blah blah blah. I blame them. People will not know what they talk. Why they not go talk say they preach it? When people don't know what you are saying, they will start speaking against it. Go and verify. Go Kwanilang, go ask our elders what they say, why they talk, whether not lie. Benin people will be telling you, Ukwane people are children, they are our descendants. Ukwane people that ran into Benin land for safety during the Biafra war, Benin people were killing them, calling them Owibo. During the Biafra war, Ibanke people that ran into Benin land for safety, Benin people were killing them, calling them Owibo. Today, those same Benin people are saying that Ibanke people are Benin people, that Ibanke people are their children. Why you can't be say those your children run into your land for safety during the Biafra war, you Benin people were killing them, slaughtering them, calling them Owibo? Those are our neighbors that are telling you that Anyama is not Igbo, Ikwere, Oba Ekpe, and many others are not Igbos. They are only saying it so that Igbo nation will be divided, so that the population of Igbo nation will reduce, so that they will say that there are no Igbos in Delta States, there are no Igbos in River States. They just want to make sure that Ndi Igbo are only located in the 5 Southeast states. They are saying this because they want to shrink the size of Ndi Igbo. They want to shrink the population of Ndi Igbo. They want to shrink the landmass of Ndi Igbo. They know that unity is the strength of Igbo. They want to make sure that they break that unity. They scatter that unity. They want to make sure that they separate we and Yoma people from our Igbo brothers in the southeast. They want to make sure that they separate the indigenous Igbos in the south away from our Igbo brothers in the southeast. That is their agenda. That is what they are benefiting. All those Yoruba people in the state say Anema people are not Igbo people. They want to make sure that they shrink the population of Igbo to nothing. The population of the indigenous Igbos in the south is at least 10 million people. Igbo people indigenous in the south alone, and Yoma people, the indigenous Igbos in River State, the indigenous Igbos in Edo State, the indigenous Igbos in Bayelsa State, the indigenous Igbos in Akwa Ibom State, the indigenous Igbos in Cross River State. Their population is at least 10 million Igbos. No tribe and ethnic nationality for South where their population reach 10 million. Igbo is the biggest ethnic nationality in the South. The indigenous Igbos in the South now them be the biggest ethnic nationality for South. The population of we Igbos in the South is bigger than the population of Ibibio people. It's bigger than the population of Ijaw people, and so on. So the enemies of Igbo want to make sure that the 10 million Igbos in the South don't embrace their Igbo identity. You know what TB say? 10 million of your kind talk say they're not a part of you. This is why I'm saying that all those Igbo people that say, all those Igbo where they South, where they go now, they're talking about Igbo, more leader, where they go now. If you know the population of these people that you are pushing away, saying that they should go, no be person go tell you say support Igbo unification. We Igbos, we no go allow our own spoil. Our enemies are uniting themselves. We Igbos must unite. When we say Igbo must unite, Igbo must unite. We must unite. Our neighbors knows that we, the indigenous Igbos in the South, are Igbo people. Yoruba people will tell you that Anema people are not Igbo people. They are still the ones that will be telling you that the 1966 coup is an Igbo coup. When you tell them, but Kaduna Zogo, the leader of the coup, he is from Anyama land. He's not an Igbo person. Kaduna Zogo is not an Igbo person. Anyama people are not Igbo people. Yoruba people will tell you that it's a lie that Anyama people are Igbo people. That Kaduna Zogo is Igbo. That he's from Anyama. That Anyama is Igbo. People will tell you say Anyama not be Igbo. When it comes to Biafra war, they will tell you say na Igbo. When there is peace all over Nigeria, Yoruba people will tell you that Anyama people are not Igbo people. But when there is an issue against Igbo, when you start talking about the 1966 coup, they will tell you that Anyama people are Igbo people. This is to tell you how evil that so many Yoruba people are. Anything unity not they sweet them. Now why they create cultism, take cultism, they divide youths. Some Okwane Eka Oshimiri, Anyocha, Ikwere, Ekpeye, Ndoni, Eche, and many others will be saying that they are not Igbo people. Urobo people go just they look them, they talk Simomo people. Simomo people. Fools. Yoruba people go talk say Simomo people, Simomo people. That is not our business. Our own is to make sure that Igbo don't unite. That is Yoruba people for you. Benin people own now as the indigenous Igbos in the south side, they thought they not be Igbo people. They sweet them because they want to make sure that all those indigenous Igbos in the south deny their Igbo identity and be identified as Benin, because they know that the indigenous Igbos in the south don't know their history. Okwane people don't know their history. Okwane people don't go fit tell you their history without saying, we are from Benin. What were you in Benin Kingdom before you left Benin Kingdom? That is the most important question that so many of them don't want to answer. If you ask them which language that they speak for Benin Kingdom those days, they go tell you say na Okwane that they speak. Is Okwane language and Benin language the same? No. So why are you people saying that you are Benin people? They will start to look you. What were you in Benin Kingdom before you left that place to your present location? Okwane people, many of them don't know their history. Now whether they claim say that be Benin people, they be Benin people. During Biafra war, you don't enter Benin, the same Benin people kill you. You don't know yourself. The Constitution of Nigeria recognizes we Anyoma people as Igbo people. They recognize every Bia speaking people in Rivers State as Igbo people. Ndi Igbo are indigenous in 13 Nigeria states. 13, not just 5 states. 13. Some people will tell you, Ndi Igbo, go with your 5 states. Make what go happen to other Igbo people where they are outside the southeast. The population of Ndi Igbo in the south is at least 10 million Igbos. The ones where they indigenous for south where they talk. 10 million in population. This is for us to know that these people knows that the strength of Igbo nation is unity. That is why they are destroying it. They want to make sure that they destroy the power and strength of Igbo, which is unity, but they will fail. Because the Igbo unification movement is here to set the record straight. Ikwere people are not in shame. Asari Dokubo na they tell us na be Igbo people. Even with different things where una don't do, una don't insult our Igbo brothers for Southeast, they talk different kind of thing. So many Ikwere people are from Isoma. Ikwere people call them Igbo, Isoma. So many Ikwere people, their ancestry is that Iswama in Imo State. According to elders from Oba Kingdom, they said that Akalaka, their ancestor, came from Abo in Okwane land. Say now from Abo, Akalaka from enter that river state, come found Oba, Ekwe, and some part of Ikwere. And he had a brother called Ochichi. Some people in Oba Kingdom, they trace their ancestry to Abo in Okwane land. They go tell you, say, see where we migrate from Abo. That is where Akalaka came from. Instead, they go tell you, say, Akalaka is a Bini man. People that don't know where they came from. What is the meaning of Akalaka? Igbo people are saying that Akalaka means precious cup. We ask Bini people, what is the meaning of Akalaka? Bini people said that there is no word in Bini Kingdom called Akalaka. We ask Bini people, what do you people call precious cup? Bini people said that what they call precious cup is Ukunoga and not Akalaka. So, Ikwere people, where we are from here say Akalaka means precious cup, we not get shame, shameless people. You don't have shame. No meaning where Ikwere people never give that name Akalaka just to prove say Akalaka not be Igbo. Akalaka mean this thing, it mean that one, it mean this thing, it mean that one, it not mean destiny. Oba people, Ekpeye people, and Ikwere people go tell you say Akalaka means precious cup in Bini language. We don't ask Bini people make una tell us the meaning of precious cup for una language. Oh. Bini people talk say what they call precious cup in Bini language is Okunoga and not Akalaka. They say that Akalaka has no meaning in Bini language because you don't want to embrace your Igbo identity. You started forcing an alien identity on yourself and your people. So many Ikwere historians have wrote different history concerning Akalaka, concerning Ikwere people, saying that Ikwere people migrated from Bini Kingdom. Enslaving yourselves to the Oba of Bini, and by saying that Ikwere is from Bini, you people are saying that all the kings in Ikwere land are chiefs. Because some of these Ikwere people, they go just they talk something, they're not a reason with their brain. You don't even know about Bini Kingdom that you are imposing on yourself. If Ikwere people are from Bini, then all the kings in Ikwere land are chiefs. Common chiefs. You know, as people take title, chief from this place, chief from that place. That is what Ikwere kings are if they are saying that they are Bini people. Igbanke kings 9, the Oba Bini thought say Igbanke kings not be kings, say na chiefs they be. That same insult about Bini, they give Igbanke kings. Now waiting Oba of Bini go start to dey give Ikwere kings when una don mumu una self to the extent where be say una king not go dey bear eze again for Ikwere land na enoge una go start to dey bear. Ikwere kings that are claiming Bini origin, you people should change your titles to enoge. Enoge means chief, duke that is controlling his community on behalf of the Oba of Bini. Ikwere kings, una go begin go Benin Kingdom, make una dey bow down to the Oba of Benin, just like other Enoge for Benin Kingdom dey do. You people should go to Benin Kingdom and be bowing to the Oba. Change your titles to Enoge. Ibanke wey dey Edo State, they wan run comot from Edo State. Una dey Rivers State, dey enslave una sef. They call una sef Benin people. You don't know that the word Benin people just means slave people. According to Benin history, the Oba of Benin is the only freeborn there. The Oba of Benin sees Benin people as slaves. If they see those Benin people in the control as slaves. The Oba of Benin rules with immense power. And he calls his people, no matter their position, he calls them his slaves. That is why you will see Benin people calling themselves Ovioba. Ovioba. Ovioba means Oba slave. That is what Benin people are calling themselves. This is what I thought so now from Benin history. This is Benin history. If you call yourself a Benin person, you are calling yourself a slave to the Oba of Benin. But some people don't know. All this history wey we dey talk now, all these facts wey we dey talk, e dey pain so many people for body because we dey spill facts wey dem no want to make people hear. If 100 Okwane people watch our video, know how, 10 go understand wetin we dey talk, then dem go stop to dey claim Benin origin. Dem go start to dey proud of their Igbo identity. That is why we are expected to make sure that we are here educating our people. Dey talk to them, make dem know where they belong. Ibanka people dey escape slavery. You dey Rivers State, they pour slavery on yourself. They call yourself slave, they call yourself Benin person. You open your mouth, they talk say the kings in Ikwere land are chiefs under the Oba of Benin. You don't know that by claiming that you are of Benin origin, that your kings in your community are chiefs, are not kings. Ikwere people are saying that they are not Igbos because of greed. Greed. Ukwa people go tell say that be Igbo people. Greed. Yet Ukwa the land not they succeed. For more than 20 years, Ukwa did not get lights. All the time for social media, they tell Ukwa people they do that. We not get light though. We not get light though. Southeast don't leave una behind. See as the whole world they hear of Igbo. How many people they hear of Ukwa all around the world? People will not get light for more than 20 years. They not fit build their place. Get a new state and join the South. They say we not be Igbo people. Leave us in the South. Leave us in Delta State. People will not know favor. When are we going to see a senator that will agitate for we and Nema people to have our own states? When are we going to actualize our Nema state through the South? They're not the reason of those ones. All they know is we are not Igbo people. All they know is we don't have life for more than 20 years. Ukwane people come live to complain. Complain. This government go come. Ukwane go complain. This government go come. Ukwane go complain. Grow your Ukwane land. They don't fit grow their land. Accept the slots our Igbo brothers for Southeast give us. Make we join them. Make we get our own states. Make we start to function as a state on its own. They say no. They one day for South South make suffer kid them. If you an Igbo person from the South South keep saying that you are not an Igbo person, you are only deceiving yourselves. You cannot deceive the non-Igbos that are your neighbors. You cannot deceive Yoruba people. You cannot deceive Hausa and Fulani people. You cannot deceive Ijaw people. You cannot deceive Calabar people. You cannot deceive Calabari people. If you are Igbo, you are Igbo, and there is no amount of denial that can change it. Ishiewale.
Oh yes. This our brother from Delta State. God will keep protecting him and be giving him wisdom and understanding for him to keep addressing things the way it is. Because no matter how it is, one person must be different from the rest. So everybody must not be the same. So everybody must not be fool. One person must learn and one person must wipe the pain and the foolishness of others. Because what I'm seeing in this issue of South, it is because of politics, because of because of greed and pride. So they don't want to identify with their Igbo brothers in the Southeast, so that the government of Nigeria will keep giving them money and will keep bribing them, claiming that they are oil region. And even it is not the issue of oil, the oil that is in Niger Delta. By now, I don't know what would have been the aim of those people, because by now they are so lazy, and in fact they are so lazy they don't even know how to or what to do. They are too lazy. They cannot even stand or do something on their own that can stand, or less they just depend only on government. So, but this guy, he's trying to address them, trying to put them to the track, and trying to make them to understand where they are coming from. But I know that, because if you come to this comments, to the comment section and to our channel, some of the video we used to post, if you go down to the comment section, some people, they will come up and they will be claiming nonsense, talking anyhow, saying that we are forming language, or we are bringing them into another society, or into another ethnic group, which they are not. But because of they don't know their identity and they don't know their root. Anybody who don't know his father, yeah, he will be calling his father brother. That is what is there, because they don't know their father. Going down to the history of Chukwuma Nzogu, the Nzogu coup, starting from right from the beginning to the end. What Nigerian government, what Nigerian history recorded is that it is Igbo coup. But if Nzogu is from Delta, how is it now an Igbo coup? Because if you go down there, some of them, they will be claiming to you that they are not an Igbo. When everything is good, when everything is right, when there is peace everywhere, you will be seeing some of them claiming that they are not an Igbo. But when there is war, when there is trouble everywhere, then you'll be seeing them claiming that they are part of Igbo, because of they want to take what belongs to Igbo, then to make it their own. That is the main reason why. But what is there is that I will call them a sycophants, because that is what they are. All those people, once they come out, okay, going down to the issue of River State, mostly the Ikwere people, those that speak Igbo, from everything, they speak Igbo, both language, both food, clothing, in fact, in everything. They even speak Igbo more than the people of Ebonyi State. The Ikweres, they hear Igbo, they speak Igbo more than the people of Ebonyi. Go and verify and go and ask. Go there and you will see everything by yourself. They are hearing Igbo and they are speaking Igbo, and their Igbo is more understandable, more than the Igbo that is in Ebonyi State, or more than the Igbo that is some of the Imo states. But at the end, they will still come up and they will be claiming to you that they are not an Igbo. Then you now ask them, who are they deceiving? They are deceiving themselves. Already, Asari Dokubo has already said it, that if an Ikwere man tells you that he's not an Igbo, it is between you and the person that is telling you, because all of them that is a job, all of them that is a Shekiri, all of them that is Urobo, all of them that is there in South, they know their self, and they know the people that is not Igbo and the people that is Igbo. They know their self. Even though this Wike, Rotimi, all of them in short, and whenever they want to gain power, then they will come up and they will claim that they are Igbo. Then after getting the power, the next thing they will tell you that they are not an Igbo. So that let people, other ethnic group, let them not looking them, start not be looking them as if they are now a threat to the country, because they believe that Igbo, bearing an Igbo, the name alone, Igbo, is just like a threat. It's just like you are now coming up trying to telling Nigerian government that very soon you are going to divide the country. That is the main idea of it. It's just like coming up and saying that you are a Biafra. Now, Ikwere man or Delta man or some of them coming up claiming that, saying, yes, I'm a Biafra. When you go down to it, the name and everything is from there. Then if you now come up, or you are from the politician or the political side, and you claim that you are Biafra, so the government will be looking at you like you are now a traitor. You are now a traitor to them. Then they will start looking a way to remove you. That is the main reason of all those things. Issue of I am an Igbo, I'm not an Igbo, is political. Nothing else. It's because of politics. It's because of is because of Akbere, just to eat what did not belong to them, to eat what belonged to their brother, and also to eat their own share. That is the only thing there. That is it. In fact, I would like your comment on what do you think about the thing going on in Nigeria, in River State, and in Biafra land. Like, subscribe, and make sure you share it for everyone to see things going on. We say thank you for watching.